Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unboxing for you. Now, I was contacted by this company wanting to know if I would be interested in showing their product. So I was like, sure, who doesn't need a glue gun? So I've actually got a project that I will be doing here within the next week or so that I needed a glue gun. So this came at a good time. So this is from a company called Bleds, and this is a cordless hot glue gun, and I have not opened this, so we're going to look at this together. Now this does come from Amazon, and, let me see, I did make some notes for this. Alright, so this is a cordless hot glue gun. It's supposed to come with 30 glue sticks. It has a stand, and it is USB rechargeable. It has a 2,900 megahertz mini glue gun, which is battery charged. Okay, so this is actually a regular $29.99, but right now it's 20% off, so you can get it for $23.99. And they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. And they also have a 12-month warranty for quality-related issues. And let's see. Some of the things about this glue gun is it said it takes 1 to 2 minutes for it to heat up. So it's fast heating. It has a no-drip technology. Alright, it has two different ways that it can stand. It has a metal kickstand, and it has a removable base. And it has a long battery life. So it says it takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge, but once it's fully charged, it can be used continuously for 80 to 105 minutes. So that's not bad. So we open up the box, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, I've not opened it. I just received it, took it out of the Amazon box, and here we are. So we have a user's manual, and it has a picture of the glue gun on here. And then it has all your instructions on how to use it. It has questions and answers. It's got to where you can contact them if you have any issues. So there's that. All right. And it's cute because it's pink and purple. There's your kickstand. So it'll stand up just like that. Alright. Here's the base. Alright. It shows the base on the bottom. Let's see if we can... Oh yeah, that's easy. It just slides right in there. And then it stands up like that. I like that. So it does come with the charger cord, but no charger box, whatever those are called. So I'm going to move the box out of the way. Alright. And it comes with the 30 glue sticks, and we're going to open this up. So I want to see how many of each there is. We're going to set that right there. Alright. So we have got some colorful glitter glue sticks, it looks like. If I can get them. Alright, so we have got, looks like 2 of each color. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of the colored glitter glue. So we've got 2 red, 2 gold, 2 blue. We've got 2 purple and 2 green. So that's a good combination right there. So that's nice. So there's 10 of these, so there should be 20 actual glue sticks. Alright, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have the 20 different, or the 20 regular glue sticks. And these are pretty long. So, alright. Now, I am going to, it has this type of plug-in, if y'all can see that. I don't know if you can or not. Alright. And then it has an on and off button. And it says glue gun on the side. And it's supposed to have a no drip technology, so we'll see. And it has the Bleds logo on the other side. This is very light and it really feels good in my hand. The base is not in the way of my hand. Trigger feels really good. So let's put us a glue stick in here. Alright, I got that pushed in. And then we're going to turn this on. Now, I don't know if there's any charge in it or not. There's a blue light. Can y'all see that? A blue indicator light. So let's see if it does get hot. Alright, I'm going to set those right there. I've got a piece of plastic here. And I think what we'll do is we'll just try to glue 2 of these together and see how well it does. I may have to plug it up. I'm not sure. So, anyway, let me see. I'm referring back to my notes. Like I said, they contacted me the other day and asked if I wanted to show this, and I was happy to. But yeah, I'm not getting any kind of compensation for this. It's just I got a free product for a review for y'all. And I think I am probably going to have to turn or plug this up. I don't think that it's going to get hot. So I'm going to pause and plug this up and let it charge. And then I will be right back. Okay. So let's see. It's been charging for about a minute, minute and a half. So I'm going to turn it on. And let's see if it has gotten hot enough to work. Might not have. But we will see. Y'all, I've got, like I said, I've got a project that I'm going to do. And hopefully, I'll be able to do it and record it so that y'all can watch me do it. And we will put this little glue gun to the test when I do. Alright. It probably needs to heat up just a little bit more, but for video's sake, I just wanted to see how well this flowed, see how well that it sticks. Okay. I mean, it does stick pretty well. I just pulled that apart myself. So, and it flows out pretty good. I think the hotter it gets, the better it'll do. So, yeah. I think it's pretty good. And I don't see it dripping. So, that's a plus. Because, you know, with most with most glue guns, you get that stringy strip that comes down. So, alright, I'm going to turn that off. So, I apologize for that glare. I just seen that glare. Alright, so, like I said, it has the kickstand on it. It has the base. It has a manual. It comes with 20 clear glue sticks and then 10 of the glitter glue. So you get 30 glue sticks in all. And it's actually a very nice box that it comes in too. So again, this is Bleds. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Company, and this is a rechargeable cordless hot glue gun. And right now you can get it on Amazon for $23.99. And I think that's a pretty good deal. So, yeah. And it's cute. It's pink and purple, y'all. I like that. So, please give me a comment. Let me know. Have y'all heard of this company? Have you purchased from this company? I will leave a link to this product in my description box along with their website. And yeah, I just want to thank them for, you know, letting me show this. And, you know, I hope y'all all enjoyed it. And I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to tell y'all. But I don't think so. I think I kind of covered everything. But yeah, so go over to Amazon, click on the link, go over to Amazon, get y'all one if you're in need of a glue gun, because it's not that expensive, and you're saving like $6 with the discount. So, all right, y'all, until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.